I'm an outside person. I like flowers. When you take care of them, they give you beauty. Living with someone with dementia is really trying on your mind.
You probably remember this from your first visit. I'm going to hand
One thing we have found in our past work with caregivers, they experience a high level of loneliness. They feel very isolated because the time that they have to spend at home with their spouse is pretty considerable. But in addition to that, they lose contact with everyone else in the process. My name is Christopher Fagundes, and I'm a professor in the Department of Psychological Sciences at Rice University, and I'm the principal investigator of Project REACH, National Institute of Health funded study looking at the health of dementia spousal caregivers.
We're going to measure the iliac, so what you're going to do is find the top of your hip bone.
We're trying to understand first and foremost who among the population of dementia caregivers thrive in that situation and who are the caregivers who are really sort of suffering mentally but also physically. We're using technology in a way that's sort of never been used before in this population, where not only are we taking your standard blood draws and doing your psychological assessments, but we're actually following dementia spousal caregivers in their real lives.
Hi, Kenneth. Good morning. It's good to see you again.
And we're actually assessing what is going on, putting them at these heightened risks with these sensor-based approaches and also with smartphone technology. And once we're able to identify that, the second part of our study is to understand why that's the case and being able to sort of intervene in real time.
It was very convenient that they came to the house. My main focus was to help others. Maybe through me talking with them and doing the different things will help other people.